Good morning, everyone. It's Saturday, July 20th, 2024, and welcome to Capital Markets Quickie, your daily dose of market updates. I'm your host, Endrit Cela. So let's dive into what happened in the markets yesterday. U.S. stocks fell on Friday as more details emerged about a global IT outage, and the major averages failed to recover from a sell-off that saw the Dow snap a run of wins. The Standard & Poor's 500 fell 0.7%, while the tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite declined 0.8%. Both the Nasdaq and the Standard & Poor's 500 posted their worst week since April. The Dow Jones Industrial Average slipped almost 1%. Stocks faced weekly losses after a shaky handful of sessions that saw a dive in tech stocks, with AI-focused chip stocks bearing the brunt. Investors are rotating out of the tech heavyweights that have fueled the recent rally and into small caps, seen by some as benefiting more from potential interest rate cuts. Semiconductor stocks continued their sell-off, with shares of Nvidia losing roughly 8% this week. In the early hours, investors assessed the potential impact of an unprecedented failure in computer systems worldwide that grounded flights and hit banks, telecoms, and media companies, among others. But concerns eased after CrowdStrike said a fix was in place for the glitch, a botched update that affected Microsoft-based systems. CrowdStrike shares plunged as much as 20% as the outage spread, but pared losses to 11%. Shares in Microsoft, which was working on problems with its Azure cloud services, were down less than 1%. Meanwhile, Republican presidential contender Donald Trump used his nomination speech on Thursday to say he would end the electric vehicle mandate on day one. His comment comes as the market wakes up to the Trump trade, the implications of his policies for assets if the former president takes the White House. Next week, investors will get another glimpse at the state of the consumer and economy when more earnings roll in, including quarterly results from beverage giant Coca-Cola, delivery service UPS, and EV maker Tesla. That's all for today's market update. Thanks for tuning in to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm Endrit Cela, and I'll catch you on Monday with more market news. Have a great weekend, everyone.